Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how I shade eyes and nose to make it realistic. The materials in the paper I have used in this video are mentioned in the description and you can check them out. This video is not entirely a time lapse and it is in real time in some parts of the video to show how exactly I shade. So I generally start with the right eye. First, we must shade a base layer before adding darker value. This makes blending the pencil shading much easier. You can use darker pencils like 4B or 6B to give darker values. Doing this makes shading smoother because blending a light and a very dark value can create very uneven shading. The 8B or 10B pencils in the darkest regions of the photograph, which is usually hair, beard, mustache, I usually blend all my works with a blending stump and a brush. So I finally finished drawing. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care and keep practicing.
Back of them jeans looking mad. Up in the Jeep, let me grab. Roll with the G's, that's the gang.